my god, I almost died. No. I almost died. That was so scary. Thank you.
It's okay. It's all right.
That's insane.
What are you doing? Ladies and gentlemen, it's the 4th of July. You're going to get in so much trouble in this car.
Pull over and please subscribe to the channel.
Boy, oh boy, it is time. It's time. We've got the Corvette staged up here, ready to go, and we've got the meat. If you guys thought I was just gonna casually skim past these, you're wrong. Wrong. Look at these hogs. So we went ahead and swapped the Proxys RRs over onto our rear setup. Again, this is the same setup that I had before, just was much lower offsets. The fronts are still 19 by 10, but I think they're like -7. The rears are 19 by 12, -27. I also kind of tried to match the fitment because we got hella meat going on back here. If you notice on this side, we've got a lot of tire pokage coming outside of the rim here. We've got the RAARs here on the front. I tried to match that tire fitment. It looks just absolutely wild. But we're gonna go ahead and pull off all the fenders on the C6. We've got her staged up and ready to go. It's go time, baby. SEMA, here we come. But we've got our boy Dave staged up, ready to go. We're gonna deliver the C6 to him with the wheels and tires on. So that means we've gotta pull the front bumper, the rear bumper. We've gotta pull off all 4 fenders. He's already got the wide body kit at his place getting prepped, but I wanted to get everything over to him as it's going to actually sit so we can dial on the fitment on the wheels and tires with the new fenders to make sure that the fitment is absolutely pristine. We're not rubbing or anything weird like that. If anybody's looking for some stock C6 Z06 fenders, hit me up. Oh, let's go! Let's go! It's the final countdown. Okay, now I just need the...
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yes. I'm very happy to announce that today's video has been sponsored by Manscaped.com. And if I'm being completely honest, they told me to show their package on camera. I got anxious and I couldn't do that. I've genuinely been using this nonstop ever since I got it about a month ago. I've completely fallen in love with this setup. This is their Performance Package 4.0, which is an all-in-one men's grooming kit for body hair removal from head to toe. So this is the Lawnmower 4.0 trimmer. This is a waterproof and cordless trimmer that can be used on hair anywhere on your body. The Performance Package 4.0 also includes 2 things I never knew I needed until now, the Crop Preserver and the Crop Reviver. This is used for body oil protection, and this is used for just like a quick refresh. Of course, for the Lawnmower 4.0, it includes a couple guards. I use the shorter one just to hit my cheeks and all around just to match the length on everything. Then once I'm all lined up, I just pop the guard off, and then I can use it to just kind of line up my neck and everything. And Manscaped uses something called skin safe technology, so you notice I can kind of just go ham with this thing and not really have to worry about cutting myself. Also got the old weed whacker for the bats in the cave. Perfect. And that's legit what's so sick about this being cordless. There's no open charging ports, there's no cords, nothing like that. So it's truly waterproof. You can charge it wirelessly, and then when you're done with it, you literally just come over here, you rinse it off, and it's clean again. So if you head to the first link in the description down below, you're gonna catch 20% off. You're gonna catch free shipping. You can snag your Performance Package 4.0. You're also gonna get 2 free gifts, a little traveling case, and a pair of Manscaped anti-chafing boxers. I would show you, but it's not that kind of channel. Homies, when you head over to manscaped.com and you get to check out, just be sure to use my promo code, which is right here. Again, thank goodness somebody is looking out for my hygiene. Make a shout out to Manscaped for sponsoring today's video. Again, support those who support us. First link in the description down below. Homies, count them. 1, 2, 3, 4 front bumper, rear bumpers back there for a grand total of 4 fenders removed. We got an actual transformer now. On the real though, I think we almost need to rename McDouble to Optimus Prime. Look at this hog, dude. I also went ahead and took advantage of the opportunity of having all the fenders off to clean this. I hit it with a little Fabuloso
Oh, habla español?
Cleaned all this stuff up so it looks brand new. It's just one of those things that makes you feel good on the inside. I also hit the front intercooler with a little bit of degreaser so that thing is nice and clean. All the fins are nice and clean so we can get good air passing through there. But next up, it's time to officially get these on here. What have I done? Oh my gosh, look at it!
Blocking it out again, blocking it out again. Me, blocking it out again, blocking it out again. You, tell me you're cool again, I said we're cool again.
It looks absolutely menacing. To put it lightly, it looks menacing. I already tried to lower this a little bit. This was literally sitting on the tire. On this side, as you can see now, literally maybe a 1/4 inch. And on this side, we're absolutely screwed. It's sitting on the fender liner. So this is actually not removable. It's like body panel glued onto the actual chassis. So there's no removing this. I think our only option is to cut it. Evan, this just got real sketch real fast. He found this little adapter thing. We're gonna, this is a horrible idea. Okay, I'm safety first, but I'm for sure gonna send this into my forehead. You guys seen those videos? You know, like the gross videos?
I'm in the line of fire.
The dude has like a disc sticking out his head. Like, that's gonna be me in about 5 seconds. I don't even know how to do this. Okay. All right. Gosh, dude. This is okay. We're just gonna go for it. So we have to cut just deep and okay. I'm gonna shut up and I'm gonna do it.
I'm scooting back.
Yeah, remember that whole thing about this not being like a destructive, like wide body install? Yeah, that was a lie. Do I look like Yzma? Pull the lever, Crump! Really, realistically, I should be pulling the wheel and tire off, but I'm like, you know, I'm not gonna do that. This is amateur hour. It's like actual fiberglass in my lungs.
Remember those Blend Tech commercials with the guy that was like, "Don't breathe this"?
Oh yeah! Don't breathe this.
Smells like broken promises. Don't breathe this.
Didn't we just go through a pandemic? Does anybody have a mask? And cut. Get it?
You're an idiot.
Dude, this build just got so buck so quick. It's just arts and crafts.
Innovation.
It's just tender loving care. TLC. Home ec? Home ec, anybody?
There you go.
Home ec. It's arts and crafts hour. It's nothing more than this. That's why we had that class. Ow! Did I get you guys?
Yeah.
Nah, I'm good. Smells like Up Dog.
Whoa.
Yeah! I wonder how many people are cringing on the end. I can just feel the comment section.
Dude, it actually looks even more sick now. Like, you can see more of the tire.
Yeah, dude, that's not bad. Homie, but the final reveal? Look at that. Dude, we got clearance for days, boys. Dude, oh my gosh! What? Oh my gosh! Bro! Ow! Oh my gosh, Paul knows how to drive! Dude, this is absolutely insane! What even is life right now? We built a Corvette go-kart. Honestly, I'm half tempted to just leave it like that. It just looks so menacing. Oh god. This is what Corvettes were meant for. When I think about America, that's what I think of. Look who it is. It's Cody. Cody helped us build the motor on that.
I'm gonna lie, it's not an improvement.
Cody just asked if we were trying to get him pounded again, and I mean,
It sounded like it.
see, that's the thing though, I'm not driving, so. Oh my gosh. Paul. Dude, how was that?
I'm selling that thing, okay?
Did you like it?
Dude, that is the most unreal experience I've ever had in my life.
Dude, Paul was getting buck with it too. I didn't expect Paul to go that ham, and he did. He sent it. He sent it for America. It's funny that like this is Paul's first time driving this car, and it happened to be like in this condition of all things. Dude, this honestly just gets me so stoked for when the car is like actually done. This is so stupid. It's funny to think that like this was this car's destiny. This is what it is destined to be. I mostly just want to know what everyone around me is thinking. This thing looks like an actual death trap just rolling down the freeway. Realistically, we only have 2 goals. Don't crash and don't get caught. Don't get caught, but also somehow we made it all the way here problem free. Don't ask me how, because I literally have no idea. Honestly, what am I doing with my life? Look at this car. Anyway, from here we're gonna get the wide body kit fitted. It should be all ready to go. We've got the suspension height dialed almost exactly where we want it so that we can make sure that the fenders fit precisely. So that's coming to a video very, very soon. But as usual, if you made it this far in the video, you're a real one. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked it, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button and the bell. And on that note, see you guys in the next video.